Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about the various manners of withdrawals. How a partners can withdraw money from the business, from a partnership firm in different manner. Okay. In the last class, we have discussed first 2 points. Okay. First point, where the date and amount are specified. In the second point, where only amount is specified but date is not given. Now, today I am going to start the third topic, third manner of withdrawals. That is, the drawings are made of equal amounts every month throughout the year. Number 1, at the beginning of each month. Number 2, at the middle of each month. And number 3, at the end of each month. Mane, jetia ejon partner farmer pra eta nidishto samoyor gapot jedi he equal amount withdraw kare dhorila proti mahe 5000 rupees তেওঁ উইথড্ৰ কৰিব গুটে 12টা মাহতে এটা বছৰ 12 মাহ থাকে 12টা মাহতে তেওঁ 5000 প্ৰতি মাহে তেওঁ উইথড্ৰ কৰিব পাৰে হলে ইয়া কি হৈছে ইয়াৰ আমি দেখিছো যে টাইম গ্যাপ প্ৰতি মাহতে উইথড্ৰ কৰে আৰু 5000 ইকুৱেল এমাউন্ট উইথড্ৰ কৰে তেতিয়াহে এই মেথডটো আমাৰ এপ্লিকেবল হ'ব ইয়া প্লিজ কি হৈছে এটা বিগিনিং অফ ইচ মান্থ প্ৰতি মাহৰ প্ৰথম তাৰিখত উইথড্ৰ কৰিব পাৰে নম্বৰ 2 at the middle of each month প্ৰতি মাহৰ মাজৰ তাৰিখত উইথড্ৰ কৰিব পাৰে and number 3 at the end of each month প্ৰতি মাহৰ শেষৰ তাৰিখত উইথড্ৰ কৰিব পাৰে তিনটা ডিফাৰেন্ট পইণ্ট আছে আমি ডিসকাস কৰিম ওয়ান বাই ওয়ান ফাৰ্স্ট টপিক তে চাই লও কি লিখা আছে ফাৰ্স্ট থাৰ্ড পইণ্ট কি লিখা আছে আমি চাই লও The drawings are made of equal amounts every month throughout the year. Right? Here, equal amounts are withdrawn and every month amount and time period both are equal. Here, in such condition, a formula is there to calculate. A formula is to be applied here to calculate for how many months the interest to be charged. Here, the formula is time left after first drawings plus time left after last drawings divided by 2. Here the first condition is at the beginning of each month প্রতি মাহৰ প্ৰথম তাৰিখত উইথড্ৰ কৰে মানে প্ৰতি মাহৰ প্ৰথম তাৰিখ suppose the current year is 2019 suppose okay in 2019 every month equal amount has been withdrawn from the firm suppose in the month of January withdraw rupees 5000 in February 5000 in March 5000 in April 5000 in the same manner to continue suppose in November 5000 yeah and in December again 5000 clear since the drawings are made at the beginning of each month therefore the first drawings this is the first drawings on 1st January okay this is called first drawings second drawings 1st February Third drawings, 1st March. Fourth drawings, 1st April. Okay, it will continue like that. And 11th one, 1st November. And last drawings, it is on 1st December. And the drawings are made at the beginning of each month. যেহেতু প্রতি মাহৰ প্ৰথম তাৰিখত উইথড্ৰ কৰিব, সেইকাৰণে প্ৰথম ড্ৰয়িংটো কৰিব জানুৱাৰী 1 তাৰিখে, সেকেন্ড ড্ৰয়িংটো কৰিব ফেব্ৰুৱাৰী 1 তাৰিখে, থাৰ্ডটো কৰিব মাৰ্চৰ 1 তাৰিখে, তাৰ পাছতো কৰিব এপ্ৰিল 1, মে 1, জুন 1, জুলাই 1, আগষ্ট 1, ছেপ্টেম্বৰ 1, October 1, November 1, December 1. This way it will continue up to December, because our accounting is 19 start from 1st January 2019 to 31st December 2019. Okay, this year 12 times withdraw rupees this 5,000 at the beginning of each month. Clear? But our accounts will be closed on 31st December 2019. Okay? Our account will close over 31st December 2019. Our accounts to close over. Okay? Now you see, our first drawing is 1st January, and last drawing is 1st December. Okay? This is the formula that we apply here. Time left after first drawings plus time left after last drawings needs to be divided by 2. Time left for first drawings. Our first drawings is 1st January to 31st December. You see, 1st January to 31st December. How many months are there? There are 12 months are there. 1 January পৰা December 31 তাৰিখলৈ কেইমাহ হয়? আমাৰ 12 মাহ হয়. Therefore here it should be 12 months. Plus time left after last drawings. Last drawing is January 1st December. 1st December to 31st December. How many months are there? There is 1 month. কেইমাহ আছে তাত? 1 মাহ আছে. Therefore 1 month divided by 2. Therefore 6.5 or 6.5 months. Means if the drawings are made at the beginning of each month, then interest on drawings to be charged for 6.5 months. যদিহে অংশীদাৰে প্ৰতি মাহৰ 1 তাৰিখে আহৰণ কৰে, তেতিয়া তেনে আহৰণৰ পৰা আমি মুঠ আহৰণৰ পৰা আমি 6.5 মাহৰ বাবে 6.5 মাহৰ বাবে আমি সুদ ধাৰ্য কৰিব লাগিব। এইদৰে আমি কিমান ধৰণে সুদ ধাৰ্য কৰিব লাগিব আমি এইটো এই ফৰ্মুলাটোৰ সহায়ত আমি উলিয়াব লাগিব। With the help of this formula, we have to ascertain for how many months interest on drawings to be charged. Okay? It will লিখি লওঁ। Next one. আমি কিমান মান সাজ কৰিব লাগিব? 6.5 or 6.5 months. হলে আর কোশ্চেন লিখছো Mr. Ajoy is a partner of a firm. Okay? During 2019, he withdrew rupees 1000 per month at the beginning of each month throughout the year for his personal use. Okay? Interest on drawings is to be charged at the rate of 6% per annum as per the agreement. Next paragraph. Calculate interest on drawings to be charged from Mr. Now see the question. Mr. Azhar is a partner in a firm. Mr. Azhar is a partner. During the year 2019, he withdrew rupees 1000 per month at the beginning of each month throughout the year for personal use. Now, proti mahor 1 tarikhe teo 1000 taka teo withdraw kore. Interest on drawing is to be charged at 6% per annum as per the agreement. Ami kiman eta charge koribo lagibo ami 6% ami interest amar charge koribo dise. Hole? The solution, first of all, and the simple method. It can be solved in the two method, and the simple method. Another is product method. First of all, solve through the simple method. Total drawings for 2019. How much? 1000 per month means rupees 1000 into 12 months. How many months? Total drawing how much? Total drawing is rupees 12,000. Okay? Since the drawings are made at the beginning of each month, throughout the year 2019, interest at the rate of 6% per annum to be charged on rupees 12,000 for 6.5 months. Now, 6.5 months level I 6.5 level. Therefore, interest on drawings is equal to total drawings 12,000 into what is percentage? Our percentage 6%, 6 by 100 into 6.5 divided by 12. Clear? Now see 2 are 60 means 60 multiplied by 65. Clear? It should be 390. Total interest on drawings to be charged for the year rupees 390. This is called simple method. Okay? As the drawings are made at the beginning of each month, therefore interest and drawings will be charged for 6.5 months. যেহেতু আমি প্রতি মাহৰ 1 তাৰিখে আমি ড্ৰয়িং কৰিছো, এতিয়া আমি 6.5 মাহৰ আমি তাৰ ইন্টাৰেষ্ট মিটাৰ উলিয়াব লাগিব। Okay, now let's proceed to the next method, that is called product method. You can use any other method. Okay, so যিকোনো method use কৰিব পাৰিবা, একো compulsory নাই. You can use either product method or simple method. যদিহে পৰীক্ষাত মেথডটো মেনশন কৰি দিয়ে, তেতিয়া তুমি সেই মেথডটো তুমি এপ্লাই কৰিব লাগিব। Our next method is under product method. Calculation of interest on drawings to be charged from first is date of withdrawal. Next is amount of withdrawal. Next is period. Our account will close down up to 31st December 2019. Next is product. Product means amount into. Okay. The drawings are made at the beginning of each month. The first drawing is 1/1/2019. How much amount? 1,000. Second drawing is 1/2/2019. How much? Third drawing is 1/3/2019. 1,000. In this way, we have to write 1/4/2019. 1,000. 1/5/2019. 1,000. 1/6/2019. 1,000. 1/7/2019. 1,000. 1/8/2019. 1,000. 1/9/2019. 1,000. 1/10/2019. 1,000. 1/11/2019. 1/12/2019. Okay. Now you see, period means from 1st January to 31st December. How many months are there? There are 12 months. Next, 1st February to 31st December. How many months are there? There are 11 months are there. Next, 10 months, 9 months, 8 months, 7 months, 6 months, 5 months, 4 months, 3 months, 2 months. Okay? 1 month. Okay? Now product. Product means amount into period. This is the amount, this is the period. You have to multiply it. 1,000 into 12,000. How much? 12,000. Next. 1,000 into 11. Next. 11,000. Next. 10,000. 9,000. 8,000. 7,000. 6,000. 5,000. 4,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,000. Okay. Now we have to edit it. Plus 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 6, 6 plus 4 10, 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 plus 7 28, 28 plus 8 36, 36 plus 9 45, 45 plus 10 55, 55 plus 11 66, 66 plus 12 78,000. This is the total product is how much? 78,000. This is called our total product is rupees 78,000. Therefore, interest on drawings is equal to total product into rate of interest into 1 by 12. 12 months are there. Total product is how much? 78,000 into rate 6 by 100 into 1 by 12. 780 by 2 equal to 390. This is the interest on loans. Okay, junto method apply na kora. It is simple product method. Under both the method, the answer will remain same. That is called 390. Okay, this is called at the beginning of each month. Proti মাহত যদি 1 লাখ উইথড্র করে তেতিয়া আমি কিমান মাহ আমি ইন্টারেস্ট দিব লাগিব আমি 6.5 বা 6 এন্ড আমি হাফ মাহৰ আমি ইন্টারেস্ট চার্জ কৰিব লাগিব হলে এতিয়া আমাৰ এটা টপিক শেষ হ'ল হল now let's go to the next topic, that is at the middle of each month. The second topic is proti mahar major tarikh. Okay, suppose our current year is 2019. Okay, we start from 1/1/2019 to 31st December 2019. Here drawings are made at the middle of each month. Proti mahar মাজত মানে 15th of every month. Okay, এই drawings are made at the middle of each month. Okay, our first drawings এটা প্রথমে কি হবে 15th January. Second drawings 15th February. Third drawings 15th March. Fourth drawings 15th April. This way to continue. Okay, and our last drawings will take place on 15th December. The drawings are made at the middle of each month. Okay, our account will close down 31st December 2019. In the last class we discussed about the formula. This is called time left of the first drawings plus time left after last drawings whole divided by 2. From 15th January, first drawings means time of the first drawings means 15th January 31st December. How many months are there? There are 11.5 months are there. Therefore, 11.5 months plus last drawing, that is called 15 December, 31st December. How many months are there? 0.5 months. Adha divided by 2 means 12 months divided by 2 is equal to 6 months. If drawings are made at the middle of each month, then interest on drawings to be charged for how many months? For 6 months. Jodi hai proti mahor major tarikhot withdraw kora hoy tetia ami 6 mahor babe ami tar por ami ta sud dharjo koribo lagibo. Clear? Buji pala etu? Now write a question. Mr. Bijoy is a partner of a firm. (19-20) he withdrew rupees 2,000 per month at the middle of each month. Throughout the year. Interest on drawings to be charged at the rate of 10% per annum. Okay, next calculate the amount of interest on drawings to be charged from. This is a question. Okay, this is a homework for you. Under middle of each month, you have to solve it as like the earlier one at the beginning of each month. You have to solve it with the help of two methods by applying. To solve it by applying both simple and product method. Okay, question simple or product method duita solve koriba, solve kori mukha answer to discuss koriba. Okay, try koriba. Mr. Vijay partner from during the 1920 he withdrew rupees 2,000 per month at the beginning of each month throughout the year. At the middle of each month throughout the year, interest and drawings to be charged at 10% per annum. Calculate the amount of interest and drawings to be charged from Vijay. This is a homework for you. Homework to koriba. I mean next one, third one discuss at the end of each month. Thanks for today.